Once upon a time, two brothers residing on neighboring farms found themselves in a conflict. This marked the first significant disagreement in their 40 years of farming side by side. Until then, they had shared machinery, traded labor and goods seamlessly. However, their long-standing collaboration unraveled. The initial small misunderstanding snowballed into a major rift, leading to bitter exchanges and weeks of silence. One fateful morning, a knock sounded at the elder brother's door. Upon opening it, he was greeted by a man carrying a toolbox, a carpenter in search of a few days of work. "I'm in need of some work," the carpenter expressed. "Perhaps there are small tasks here and there that require attention. Can I be of assistance?" "Absolutely," responded the elder brother enthusiastically. "I do indeed have a task for you. If you look across the river, you'll see the neighboring farm. That belongs to my younger brother, and regrettably, we don't have the best relationship. Just last week, he widened the water passage onto his land. However, in doing so, he inadvertently created a wide river between our properties. I'm quite certain he did it just to provoke me. My request is for you to construct something that shields us from each other's view. Build a tall wooden fence so that I don't have to see him ever again." The carpenter understood the situation and replied, "I grasp the circumstances. I'm confident I can complete a task that will satisfy your needs." The elder brother had to journey to town for supplies, so he assisted the carpenter in preparing the required materials before departing for the day. Throughout that day, the carpenter toiled diligently, measuring, sawing, and nailing. As the sun dipped below the horizon, signaling the elder brother's return, the carpenter had just finished his work. When the elder brother laid eyes on the finished project, his astonishment was evident. It was far beyond his initial expectations. The carpenter had crafted a bridge across the river, an exquisite piece of craftsmanship complete with elegant handrails. What's more, his younger brother from the other side approached with an inviting smile and open arms, ready to embrace him. "Dear brother, your kindness and humility touch my heart. Despite my actions and words, you've demonstrated that the bond of family remains unbreakable." "I deeply apologize for my behavior," the younger brother expressed, embracing the elder brother. They both turned to observe the carpenter lifting his toolbox onto his shoulder. "Wait, please. Stay a few more days. I have numerous other projects in mind," urged the older brother. "I would love to extend my stay," the carpenter replied, "but I have many more bridges to construct." Accepting one's mistakes and forgiving each other carries no shame. Kindness and humility should prevail. Our unity as a family should not break because of some small arguments.
If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.